Hello friends, welcome to Azure 204 Lab 13 Exercise 3. So here is the lab scenario. You can go through it if you want. And so far we are done with exercise 1 and exercise 2. In this video we'll work on exercise 3. Alright, so let's go to the instruction page. Here we are, exercise 3. It says upload and configure static web content. Okay. So now task 1 is to observe the landing page. So we'll go to our application and then we'll click on browse. Okay, so let me just close everything first. Now we'll go to resource groups, marketing content, and we need to go and open our app service, which is this one, landing page. Now click on browse. So you see here, configuration settings missing. You are required to add the following application settings for this website to work. So we'll be adding these two endpoints. Okay, now let's go back. So observe the error message. Okay, here we are done. So we are done with the task 1. Now task 2 says upload storage blob. So we need to go to our storage account. We need to go to the containers and then we need to go and select media container. Okay. Once you are there, we need to upload blob. So we need to go to the lab 13 starter and from there we need to upload these 3 images in our media container. Okay. So just follow me here first. Okay. First, I'll click on our storage account. This one, content storage. Okay, Azure. Now we'll go to the containers. So blob service and then containers. We'll go and open media. So now here's the option to upload some data into the containers. So I'll click on upload and here is pop-up window from where I can go and select. So we need to go to the lab 13 and starter. Here we have 3 images. So we'll go and select 1, 2, 3. There's one video as well, but for now we'll just go and select only 3 images. Open, click on overwrite and upload. So let me close. Let's go back. Now back on the container, select properties and in the settings section, okay, record the URL text box and then okay. So now we need to get the URL of our container. So if I go and select media properties and here is the URL. So I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll paste this one into notepad. So I'll call it as media URL. Okay, I'll paste this down here. Let me close. Now, so here we are done until here. Okay, so we need to do same. We need to go and select our video container and then we need to upload the video welcome.mp4 from lab 13. Okay, so let's go back, select video, which is our container name, click on upload. Now we'll go and select the welcome.mp4 video and click on overwrite, upload. Okay, so now here we have our welcome.mp4 in our video container. Let me close this one. Again, we need the URL. So I'll copy the URL from here. And again, I'll paste this one here. So this is video container URL. All right, let's go back. Let me close. So here, now we are done until here. So here we are done with task 2. Now task 3, what it says, configure web app setting. So we'll go to our web application, which is landing page. Then we'll go to the configuration links and we'll add some settings. Okay. So just follow me here. Let me close. I'll open the web app, which is this one, landing page. Let's go to the settings and then configuration. Okay. So here we'll be adding new application settings. Okay. So let me just go back. Now it says go and select new application settings. In the name, go and mention CDN media endpoint. In the value, paste the URL of our media container. Okay. So and then we need to leave rest of the things as is. We'll do same for video. Okay. So just follow me here. We'll be adding a new property, configuration settings for CDN media endpoint URL. I'll copy the URL from here and I'll paste this one here. Deployment slot setting will leave as is. Click on OK. Again, we need to do for CDN video endpoint. So let me just go and click on new application settings, CDN video endpoint, and I'll copy the URL and I'll paste it here. Okay, click on OK. Perfect. Now let's go back. So here now we need to save these settings. Okay, continue. You can see here it's done. Okay, now if I go back, okay, so here we are done with task 3 as well. Task 4, it says validate the corrected landing page. So in the landing page on the app service blade, restart and then browse. Okay, so if you guys remember, this was how it was. And now we'll go, let me close, we'll go to app service again, and there should be an option to restart, which is here, right? I'll click on restart, and now okay, it's done. Let me just click on browse. So now we should see a proper website. You can see here, right? Okay, so here we are done with the exercise 3 as well. Next one is exercise 4, so that will cover in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.